Hey friends, welcome back to the joyful space where we will explore dance and movement one playful step at a time. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to plie. So, without further ado, hello, my name is Miss Jackie and welcome to Learn Like a Child. For this next one, I call it a house for a mouse. So let's begin, toes and heels together, an imaginary string pulling from the very top of your head up to the ceiling, ears far away from your shoulders, thumbelinas, hands on your waist, and happy toes. Now think you have 5 suction cups on the bottom of your toes, so they're evenly placed so that you have a little arch, and I call it the house for a mouse, like this. We are now able to begin. Open the window, close the window. So we pretend we have a bunny who likes to jump in and out the window, and we're going to make a diamond shape for our window. So here we go. Bend open the window, close the window. For this one, I think of a diamond shape and a triangle. So there we have our diamond and we have our triangle. So your knees are over your toes. Can you imagine your triangle? Let's begin. And open the window, close the window, and open the window, and close the window, and open the window, and close the window. I'm so sorry. And open the window, and close the window.